Plant indoors explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, plant indoors. It's a simple yet interesting phrase that can add a lot to your English vocabulary. So, let's get started and explore what it means to plant indoors. Before we get into plant indoors, let's first understand the word plant. In English, plant can be both a noun and a verb. As a noun, it refers to a living organism that typically grows in soil and has leaves and roots. As a verb, it means to put a plant or seed in the ground so that it can grow. Remember, context is key to understanding its use. Now, let's talk about indoors. This word is an adverb describing a location inside a building or a house. When we say something happens indoors, we mean it happens inside, not outside. Combining these two words, plant indoors, means to grow plants inside a building or a house, rather than outside. It's often used in contexts where people talk about gardening or growing plants in an apartment or office. This phrase can be particularly useful for those who live in urban areas without much outdoor space. Let's see some examples of how to use plant indoors in sentences. 1. I love to plant indoors during the winter to keep my home green and lively. 2. Many people recommend planting herbs indoors for easy access while cooking. 3. Due to the cold climate, she decided to plant her flowers indoors. These examples show how versatile and practical the phrase can be in everyday conversation. And that's all about plant indoors. I hope this video has helped clarify this phrase for you. Remember, practicing these phrases in sentences can really help solidify your understanding. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.